All right, I wanted to get on here real quick and share with everybody the fix that I had for this temp gauge issue. So, a couple years ago, I had issues with this truck and the temp gauge fluctuating, and so it would just go up and down, up and down. It wouldn't really hold a steady temperature, and so I thought it was the thermostat. So I changed the thermostat, and then that didn't work. So then I changed the coolant temp sensor, and that did not work. So those two things did not work, and those were the most common fixes to that issue. Then my temp sensor one day just went dead. So it just stayed exactly like it looks right now, even when it was running at normal temp. And the tech confirmed that it was running at the correct temp, and it was just sitting on cold, so it just wasn't working. So what I did was I went and purchased another instrument cluster from the salvage yard at Parts Now in Alabama. It was the only one in the country that was showing that they had them had these D21 and pickups in stock. And so they sent one over to me a couple weeks later. Only cost like $100, and I was just kind of shooting in the dark. And what I did was I replaced this portion. Okay, so if we're looking at the back of this here, I took out these 6 screws right here, and then you just have to take out these little black tabs, and that little piece will come right out. And then I just swapped it in mine and put it in, and then turned the car back on, and sure enough, it fixed it, and then the temp did rise and held nice and steady in the middle. So, we're slightly below halfway. But basically, I just want to get on here and share that with y'all because that helped me fix this very frustrating issue that I was having. Just a quick note on how to do it. I mean, all you have to do is take off this panel. There's 2 screws, one down there and one over here. Take that off. It might help to take off the steering column first, and there's 4 underneath there that you do. Once those are out, there's 4 more screws to take out this cover. You have 1, 2 right there, and then the other ones are hidden right now, 3 and 4. And then there's 4 more screws to take out the instrument cluster. And then as far as like getting the electrical connectors out, it's very simple. You have 4 of them, and you just pinch and pull. It's a very easy system to get them out. And once you're out, you just have to replace it with the other one and put it back together. I mean, all together, this took me, maybe 30 minutes from start to finish, and including testing and everything. So I am very happy that it worked, and I wanted to just put this out there to see if it could potentially help anybody else who's been dealing with the exact same issue that I was dealing with. So if you have any questions, you can let me know in the comments, and I'll do my best to answer those and help out however I can. But y'all have a good one.